Hello, my name is Alan, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about the control bar in the GoThru overlay editor. And the control bar, you can see it in here. It has previous button, next, show hide map, play, and full screen. Well, let's go ahead and gonna go to the plugin manager area, click on the control bar. I'm gonna see the control bar showing up on the bottom side and in the active plugin area. And I'm gonna just go ahead and take all the settings that we have. So you can choose to use the custom colors or choose your own color. You have the color picker here and the transparency, the text color, and the active color when you click something. We can choose the position where we want the control bar to be in. And then we can control what do we want to show. So you might don't want to show the previous panel button, so again switch it off. And this button, this shows what you want to go, like maybe on the phone you don't want this buttons to be shown, so you turn it off. So or on a tablet, or on a desktop. So in this particular case on desktop it's not going to show, but it's going to show on tablet and on mobile. We can have the left, but we can change this if you want a different arrow. And we have that for share. The share button is going to Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and you can share the tour there on these platforms. We have a map. So now we don't have a map in here, and we do not display if you don't have a map button. But if we would have a map, you can turn it off, so I'm not showing. The sound, you can add an MP3 file from your library. Now GoThru already has a MP3 file library, so we're gonna add in the future the option to select the MP3 from our library. And if you don't want what we have, you can choose your own. You'll be able to choose to add your own as right now. The auto rotate, and the auto rotate has two type of auto rotation. One is the panel walk, where GoThru will automatically navigate the tour. And it's just gonna jump from go to this panel link, and it's just gonna jump to that link. Now gonna reach this, and it's gonna jump there. Reach this, there. And when you have such a tour, you can just put it in a presentation mode, and it will walk the whole tour like alone. And then we have the panel. It's just gonna go from panel 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. It's just gonna jump, and we can choose the duration. So if I'm playing this is how many seconds it will stay on a panel. So the lower I go, the more it will stay on a particular panel, and it will just jump on the next panel. So is a 7, 8, 9, 10. Like in my particular case, that's actually how I shot the tour. So but probably at some point it's just gonna jump around. And then we have full screen. Now I would advise to use the GoThru full screen button and not the Google full screen button, because our works better when you embed the tour. And then we have a hotspot. So if you have a hotspot, you can, in this particular case we don't have a hotspot, so let's add one. Yeah, when you click it, it hides the hotspot. And yeah, we can do the same for the map. We're just gonna add the Mapbox map. Yeah, what I just did. I was not centered on the map. So yeah, so this is another plugin that GoThru supports, and if we go to the control bar, we're gonna have now the map button, and we can turn it off, so and on, and we can click here. It's gonna, the map is gonna disappear. Let's delete the map. So yeah, this would be the control bar and how you use it in GoThru.